Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we got a hot topic for all the Samsung TV owners out there. Are you struggling with no sound coming from your Samsung TV's optical out? It's frustrating, isn't it? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to diagnose and fix this issue. Let's dive right in. Common causes. First, let's understand why this might be happening. From damaged cables to incorrect settings, there are various reasons, but we got solutions for each. Here we go. Switch audio format to PCM. If your TV's digital audio format is not set correctly, that might be the problem. Here's how to switch it to PCM. First, press the Home or Menu button on your remote. Second, navigate to Setting, then Sound, and then Expert Settings. Third, select Digital Output Audio Format. Fourth, choose the PCM option. Fifth, done. Your TV is now set to PCM. Run diagnostic test. Running a diagnostic test can identify many issues. Here's how. First, hit the Home or Menu button on your remote. Second, go to Settings, then choose the Support menu. Third, select Self-Diagnosis. Fourth, choose the Start Sound Test option. Fifth, follow the on-screen instructions and your TV will handle the rest. Check cables. Faulty cables can be a culprit. Check them for any damage, and if they're not securely connected, reconnect them or replace them if needed. Factory reset. If nothing else works, a factory reset might be your solution. Here's how. First, press the Home button on your remote. Second, navigate to Settings, then General, and then Reset. Third, enter your security PIN if prompted. Fourth, wait for the TV to reset. Note, for older models, the path might be Home or Menu, then Support, then Self-Diagnosis, and then Reset. Additional tips. We also covered several other solutions such as adjusting volume settings, resetting audio settings, and updating your TV's software. Check the link in the description for the full list of tips and detailed steps. And that's it, folks. You're now equipped to fix the no sound issue on your Samsung TV's optical out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech wisdom. If you still face issues, feel free to drop a comment below or contact Samsung support. Until next time, happy watching.